If you ever feel overwhelmed by a blank page or life, or you feel like your art isn't good enough, you're not alone. Today we're diving into a simple mindful drawing activity to celebrate Inktober. Whether you're new to art journaling or just looking for an easy, mindful way to create, this activity is designed for beginners and experienced artists alike. So you'll notice I chose a watercolor randomly from my bag, and I encourage you to choose a color either randomly or that you feel drawn to. We're going to be creating with just one watercolor paint and one pen today, and I invite you to allow your pen to take a meandering journey, almost like going down a road where you don't know where it's going to lead you. And that's a big part about mindful art journaling, is that we're being present with the moment and being curious, and we don't necessarily know what we're going to create before we begin. What I encourage you to do once you have your color and your mark is to rotate your perspective and page and see if there's a different orientation that's speaking to you. And notice if there's any shapes that make you think of objects or feelings that can inspire your own words to add onto the page. This might be one or two words, it might be a sentence or a poem, something that you feel like is a reflection of the moment that you are creating right now. And if you're curious about Inktober, I'm going to have all of the prompts in the description box below. I'd love for you to comment and tell me which one you think inspired today's practice.